refund.
So please
No
don't say about
apologies.
refund, huh?
Not interested.
Okay. We are not interested in that.
Another flight, that's it.
Right by a flight. Right now for Dubai there will be no flight.
Okay.
Guys, let one person talk.
We have option only for today's flight or else from Bombay, which the flight is departing by 9:25.
We'll do that.
We'll do that.
We'll do
Okay,
that,
no
sir.
problem.
We are ready for that. We have
At
work
what
tomorrow.
time?
9:30 the flight it is, but let me check with the like vacant seat how many others.
Because as per
We have shift.
No, we need to arrange. We have emergency.
We have to go.
Morning 9:30 or evening 9:30?
Morning 9:30.
We have to go.
Yeah, we have to go.
बता देना। वो कितना घंटा डिले वो भी बता देना प्लीज।
नहीं नहीं एक
No, no,
सेकंड
no.
ज़्यादा further नहीं
Wait,
जाए.
wait.
let's just get
You
a
have to
solution
arrange.
here.
Wait, let him speak. Like a minute, please. Everyone, be quiet. Let's see what he has to say first.
So in that Bombay, which is the flight in morning 9:25. So we have only 20 seats vacant in that.
No. Everyone wants to go.
Everybody wants to go.
All packed in there right now.
Brother, I'm ready.
एक सेकंड काम करो. One second है. If I am wrong, please stop me there. उसमें 20 सीट है. ये आधे घंटे बाद एक और फ्लाइट होगी. किसी दूसरे की होगी, स्पाइसजेट इंडिगो की सबको अकोमोडेट करो 1-1.5 घंटे के अंदर अगर कर सकते हो.
इसमें और एक फ्लाइट है जो इवनिंग में जाएगी. So
Okay.
that is which is 1
नहीं
o'clock flight.
आप खाली
हाँ,
स्पाइसजेट की बात
SpiceJet
नहीं
flight
करी.
है 1 बजे की वो डिले है वो 18:40 को जाएगी.
सॉरी मैं खाली स्पाइसजेट को छोड़ दीजिए अभी. दूसरी फ्लाइट से काफी सारी फ्लाइट्स मुंबई से जाती
ऑयल
हैं.
अकोमोडेशन नहीं हो पाएगा सर.
तो
Oil
करो
नहीं-
अरेंज बॉस
नहीं हो
प्लीज.
पाएगा सर.
करो.
नहीं होगा.
You have to do it. You have to do
So
it.
it's as per the DTA law.
You have to do it.
It's as per the law, sir. As per DTA law, if there's a cancellation, you have to give us an alternation.
One second, please.
When
One
we-
second.
when we
One
have the
second.
types, we
Excuse
don't
me.
have to- yes,
Do you know what is the rule if flight got cancelled or delayed?
Yeah, I'll open it right
One
now.
second. I know it very well, boss.
Yes.
Do you know it?
Yes.
What is it? What is our right now this time? Tell me.
So your move flight option and full refund options are right.
Okay, and if it is delayed, then more than 2 hours, then
Same thing.
sorry, come again. No. One second. Sorry, come again. Speak little bit louder.
Move flight option and full refund option, sir.
Only that.
No.
You will not arrange any accommodation, food, etc.
Financial
Hotel,
compensation
Financial
as per law.
compensation.
As per law, more than 2 hours
When it
delay.
is and when there is some technical reason behind that, then only we can give you some.
So what is
So
this?
now is a technical
Now
reason,
this is a
right?
technical reason, no?
Because from Delhi
Right?
it didn't take off.
This is not a technical reason?
Because we had the issue for the Dubai slot, sir. So that
Yaar,
is what-
forget about it.
So that's a technical glitch only if you don't have a slot.
Actually, this thing is going
How are you getting a flight without slots?
So put us in Sharjah airport.
How are
Put
you
the
getting
flight in Sharjah
No, wait. How are you getting us a flight without slots?
Exactly.
How are you getting a flight
Then
without
why are
slots?
you even getting the bookings done?
How are you getting flight without slots? You don't have a parking spot.
from Pune. There is only one flight.
Why you are hiding
Yeah,
since
forget about this, no, yaar.
Why you are hiding since last 1 hour?
So I was not hiding. There was some passenger also downside, so we were just engaged in that.
These are-
I am
these are-
delayed. Myself delayed to get here.
Brother, these are our door rights.